Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to get the emojis on Mac. So Mac has a built-in emoji settings which is available using the globe key. So what you can do is on your keyboard search for FN and globe key, which is at the extreme bottom left corner. You can click on that button and you would be able to see this emoji picker window appearing. From here you can directly select any of the emoji to insert any of the notepad or even any document or anywhere. So this is one way to enter the emoji. The other way is using the another shortcut key, which is Control Command Space, which will again open the same emoji key, and you can just select whatever the emoji you want to enter and it will enter. Now if the globe key is not working on your system, so what you can do is you can just go to the Apple logo and go to System Settings, and within the System Settings go to Keyboards, and in the keyboard you have this option which says press globe key 2 and set it to show emojis, and it will automatically open the emojis when you click the globe key on your keyboard. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.